If you're thinking about signing up for Wix.com, you're going to want to watch this video. I've been testing out this tool for several weeks now, and in this video, I'll tell you absolutely everything you need to know about Wix.com before you sign up. And to be completely honest, Wix.com is not a perfect website building tool, but after comparing it with several other tools in the market, I've chosen to stick with it, and in this video, I'll share exactly why that is. Now, if at any point while watching this video, you decide you want to try Wix.com, there's a link in the description that will get you a really nice discount. That link saved me a good chunk of money when I signed up, so don't miss out on it. Okay, let's dive right in. First off, Wix.com is a platform offering a variety of possibilities for website creation. It's kind of like a canvas for your online vision, designed to help you bring your business or personal projects to life. Now, I run a digital marketing company, so having a solid online presence is vital for me. That's where website builders like Wix come in. What I liked about Wix specifically was that their drag and drop builder and custom domain tools were really intuitive and easy to use. The design is also super customizable, and their AI can finalize that for you into a finished website in no time. One project I worked on recently involved promoting a major event. Using Wix's gallery, I added event photos, linked up a subscription form for updates, and also added a video background to the page. It was super easy and straightforward. But on the negative side, the pricing is not exactly cheap. That's why I put that discount code into the video description below. Trust me, it'll save you a nice chunk of money. All right, do me a favor. If you made it this far, please drop a like on this video. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions about Wix or building websites in general, just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you.